Now, deconstructing this, getting ready to put up the 24 by 24 instead of this little 14 by 24. I think it's a 25 by 25 that I'm putting up here. The person who put this in, who did the duct sealing, you could see they put a lot of duct sealant up here, Pookie as some of you guys know it, and they did a good job here. So the guy who did the sealing was not an amateur, and he knew the necessity of sealing good. So I will say that this was put in by somebody who knew that you had to put in a lot of sealant, and they did a thorough job. But as for knowing what to do with flex duct and ducting, that's where they fell short. So either it was the same guy, or the guy who was put on this knows more than the guy who was running the ductwork. All right, pull this down. Doing something twice and deconstructing to reconstruct costs 3 to 4 times more money than it costs doing it right the first time. And this should be, I'm not going to move the electrical, we're not going that far, because supposedly this room is getting torn down in about a year and a half, something like that. But I can definitely increase the flow. That should be 36 inches by 24 or 25 inches. That would be the correct size for the zone system. This is not the correct size. A 36 by 24 would be correct, but it's 36. I'm not going to get that up in there, and that's why I choose 2-inch pleats. I would like to stick 4-inch or 5-inch or 7-inch pleats, but that's not going to happen either. If I would have designed it from day one, this would get probably 5-inch pleat, and it'd either be 2 25 by 25s or something like that. It'd be massive. It would be more than the 24 by 36 surface square foot area. It would be that plus and deep pleated. All right, there I go, tear it down.